शंकर हर हर शंकर जय जय 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 शंकर हर हर शंकर हर हर शंकर जय जय शंकर हर हर शंकर जय जय शंकर जय जय शंकर हर हर शंकर जय जय शंकर.
Hi, my name is Ashwath. I am 10 years old. I live in San Jose, California, and I'm going to be reading the Voice of God, Devathin Kural, Chapter 10, Part 22, Shivaratri. Parakarnasindam Jnanadam Shantarupinam Shri Chandrasekharagurum Pranamami Udangaham. Mostly in all Shiva temples, on the western side of the walls of the Garbhagriha, Sanctum Sanatorium, there will be the figure of Lingotbhava Murti. In some temples, there's Mahavishnu in that place. Lingotbhava Murti is one of the 64 Murtis of Parameshwara, Vrishabharudar, Ardhanadishwarar, Hariharar, Natrajan, Kamari, Bhairavar, Dakshinamurti, Somaskandar, Bhikshadanar, Urdhvatandavar, Jalandhara, Surasamharar, Kala Samharar. Like this, Parameshwara has 64 Murtis. It is that Murti which is seen behind the Linga in Shiva temple. In that, within the Lingam, there will be a charming Murti. The Jata Makulam of the Murti will not be enclosed within the Linga circle. The Padam, feet, also will not be seen up to the bottom of the Lingam. Below this Murti, there will be Varaha Murti. Above, there will be a Murti of the form of Hamsa, who is Lingotbhava. It is the practice to recite a shloka before commencing Shri Rudrabhishekam. Apatalana vastalanta bhuvana brahmanta vispurat jyotispatika linga mauli vilasat purnendu vantamritaihi astoka pratamekamisha manisham rudranu vakanjapan Dhyaye Deepshita Siddhaye Dhruvapadam Vipro Bhishinchet Shivam. Do you know what is said in this shloka? Abhishekam is to be performed to the Spatika Lingam, which is limitlessly effulgent from the lower regions of the universe to the skies, is what the shloka says. No color can be attributed to Spatika Lingam. It will reflect the color of anything that is placed on it. It does not suffer from the blemish of particular qualities. Just as Jnana is pure, the Spatika Linga is also pure. If a green bilva leaf is placed behind it, the lingam itself will appear green. If a red flower is kept, the lingam will appear red. By itself, it is changeless. The Spatika Lingam provides an illustration to the fact that although Brahman is changeless, it will appear to us according to our own mental attitude to it. It will not hide anything. Things which are behind it can also be seen through it. It will be absolutely pure and blemishless. It is the illustration of the supreme thing which is nirguna, without qualities. It will appear in the form that we think. As said in the above shloka, there is a full moon on its head. The word Purnendu in shloka is Purna Indu. Indu is the same as Chandran, moon. When Ishvara comes in the Skala Rupam with Jata, Ganges, eyes, ears, nose, hands, legs, and other parts of the body, he wears the third day moon on the head and is Chandramauli. When Paramatma without form is as a pure principle, there is no moon, Ganges, etc. When he is neither without form nor with form, with all body parts, he is as Skala Nishkala Lingam. He has the full moon on his head. From that, Amrut itself flows as if it is Ganga. The yogis meditate on the effulgent form of the Chandra Mandalam, which is in the lotus in the Sahasrara in their heads. From that, Chandrabimbam nectar will flow. Because of that, they attain great bliss. If the Jyotirlingam, which is of the form of the entire universe, cools, the universe will become cool. That is the reason for performing to Shiva Lingam Abhishekam and Rudrabhishekam continuously. The shloka recited before Abhishekam emphasizes all these. The entire universe is only Shiva Lingam. In Sri Rudram, it has been stated in the very same manner. Sri Rudram says that everything good and bad is Shiva Swarupa, of the form of Shiva. Why is the lingam round in shape? It is only a circular form that has no bottom or top, no beginning, no end. The other forms have them. The triangle and the square have it. The shape of lingam shows that Shivam is without a beginning and end. Instead of being a complete circle, the lingam is of elliptical shape. The universe itself is elliptical. If we take our solar system, modern science says that the transit of planets is elliptical. This and what the Shastras say, that the universe is Avispurat, agree very much of the form of the lingam. We think of some relation of ours. We are happy, but only when we see him the happiness is complete. In the same way, only if we see Shiva without a form, comes into a form and blesses, we will feel very happy. It is jnanis who can understand the truth of formlessness. We who enjoy looking at a figure can feel happy only if we see the Lord with the form. It is for this purpose Parameshwara, who is without a form, shows himself as lingam, and not stopping with that, he is also as Lingotbhavamurti within the lingam, even while showing a form in order to make it clear really that he has no feet or jata, that is, he is of the form of bliss without beginning and end. He has the jata above the linga circle and feet outside the circle too. Without feet and top, without a limit, he stood as the effulgent form, Jyoti Swarupam, the night. When Parameshwara appeared as Jyotirlingam from the skies to the earth, spanning the entire space, is called Shivaratri. When Parameshwara stood as Jyoti Swarupam, Vishnu went to the region below Patal to see his feet. The Varaham pig has the nature of digging to earth, so he took that form. Brahma took the form of Hamsa, bird. The nature of the bird is to fly, so he flew as bird and went to see the head of the Jyotirlingam. Both could not find what they went in search of. Hamsa returned and told a lie. I have seen. That is why there is no puja for Brahma separately. Only as a part of the routine where he is worshipped. This is what is found in Purana. The import of the statement that Brahma flew as Hamsa and could not see Lord Shiva's head, and Vishnu went down as Varaha but could not see the feet, is that the Paramatma without beginning and end. It is beyond Shrishti, creation, and protection. The one who could not be attained by Vishnu and Brahma, who went in search of his feet and head, can be attained very easily if we practice devotion with love and without ego that I can do it by my own. Because Lord Shiva gets pleased very quickly by love and shown to him and bestows his blessings. He is called Asutosh. An important reformist is known by the name Ashutosh Mukherjee. It is the word Ashutosh which has become Ashutosh Ashukavi, which means one who can sing a kavi, poetry, at the moment he is asked. In the same way, the benevolent Shiva who becomes pleased immediately one thinks of him and bestows his blessings is Ashutosh. During Shivaratri, Mahachaturdashi night is when the lingam in which the entire universe is contained appeared. We should continuously meditate on him and be within him. There is no greater bliss than this. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om.
Shankara Jaya Jaya Shankara Hara Hara Shankara Jaya Jaya Shankara Hara Hara Shankara Jaya Jaya Shankara